look at myself as a furniture rescuer. You can take that piece of furniture and you can just totally transform it into today's decor. Think about it.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean.
Hello everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace. I am a self-proclaimed check-obsessed person and I will check just about anything. Please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. So now I'm going to paint the tray, and I'm going to use just the off-white. Well, it's actually called a vanilla. I'm going to be painting the whole thing in white. So this is where we're at with this tray. I did the stripes on the side. Now I did all this to save time for the video. I did it off camera and I've done the squares. Now I have some cleanup to do. I'm going to be adding the accent next.
Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you.
Picked up this wine rack. I actually really like it. It's heavy wood. The tray comes off, which I think is a bonus. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but it is from the Bombay company. And I love that it has the handles and it fits 24 bottles as well. And I'm going to sand it down. With this wine rack, I've actually decided that I'm going to leave the wine rack itself as a whole the way it is. The tray, I'm going to be painting it. So I'm going to paint the insides here first. I did this tray and I'm not happy with it, so I've resanded it and now I'm going to actually do it the way I want, or I'm going to change some things on it. But it's only paint. If you paint something and you're not happy with it, sand it down, give it another coat of paint. Like I always say, it's only paint, guys. It's only paint. It's not the end of the world. You don't like it, change it. You have full control of your project.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, Picked up this table. It's pretty scratchy as I showed you, but it has detail that I like. We're just going to paint it all in black. Let's get started.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, want you all night, want you all night, want you all night, want you all
night. The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same.
I do have to show you this beautiful little table I just picked up. It is so pretty, and I'm going to DIY it. I can't wait to see how it turns out.
Crying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
So I'm going to DIY this baby. I love all the detail on it. So this is how this looks like already. To save time for the video, I've already added the white. I've added already the 2 coats. So we're good to start adding color.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, I ask that you consider doing so by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. Take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time. Have an amazing week.
so just stay for a little while.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it all